You won't encounter flies or mosquitoes in your home for at least an hour after using this. Mosquitoes proliferate during the summer due to rain and warm temperatures. Did you know that temperatures above 80 degrees are when flies and mosquitoes are most active? Knowing how to protect yourself and your family against these annoying insects is essential given the number of diseases that mosquitoes may spread. The flies and insects just vanished after we tried this method. We wish to show you this trick because of it. But first, tell us which insects in your home disturb you the most. You may develop a natural method to get rid of bugs such as flies, ants, and mosquitoes at home by watching the following. Although many people dislike them, mosquitoes are an essential part of nature. As a result, instead of killing them, consider other methods to keep them out of your house and yard. Flies and mosquitoes may make you very uncomfortable, especially at night and on hot days. Find out what goes into this recipe, so you can use it to keep them out of your home forever. Consider the following. Consider using vinegar to frighten mosquitoes and ants away, especially because it has an unpleasant smell to them. Additionally, cloves are abundant in eugenol, a compound having insecticidal effects. It is regarded as a potent bactericide and antiseptic that deters ants and mosquitoes. The smell of bay leaf, on the other hand, discourages insects and stops them from reproducing. Isn't that amazing? Consider the following. The recipe's ingredients is as follows. 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of cloves, 1/2 cup of white vinegar, and 1 glass of water. Steps to make. Boil the water for 10 minutes with the bay leaves and cloves added. Allow it to cool after that. After straining, combine with the white vinegar. The mixture can be used, after being placed in a spray bottle. You can use this mixture to clean the dining table, the floor, the counters, the sofa, and the area near the windows because it smells like cloves. It can also be sprayed on the dishwasher. Because mosquitoes dislike the fragrance of cloves, this will prevent them from entering your home. Try it out, and then let us know how it goes. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.